Welcome back to science class. Let's have a recap of what we learned in the last class. In the last class, we learned about natural and man-made resources, raw materials and finished products, right? What are natural resources? Yes, resources that we get from nature like wood, coal, soil, rocks. All these are natural resources. What are man-made resources? Yes, resources that are made by man like book, table, cot, car. All these are man-made resources. Now, do you remember what are raw materials and finished products? Okay. Raw materials are materials from which other things are made. Finished products are made out of raw materials. I hope all of you remember this. Okay, now let's go further. Can you see few raw materials in the picture? Yes. Now let's learn about properties of raw materials. Every raw material has a unique property. If you look into the picture, we have cotton, plastic and metals. Let's talk about properties of these three. If you talk about properties of cotton, cotton is soft, light and gets wet when it comes into contact with water, right? Yeah, that means it is not waterproof. Okay, now let's come to plastic. Let's talk about its properties. Plastic is hard. Okay, it is smooth to touch, but it is waterproof. Right? Yes, I'll let you know. Cotton absorbs water, whereas plastic does not absorb water. That's why it is waterproof. Okay, it is hard, but it can be breakable. Okay, it is not very strong. So these are the properties of plastic. Now let's talk about properties of metals. Okay, metals are smooth, shiny. Your copper bottle, your golden bangle, your silver chain, all these shine, right? Yes, metals do shine. And like plastic, they are also waterproof. Okay, they don't absorb water, but they are stronger than plastic. Okay, they are not easily breakable. Okay, because they are very strong. So these are the properties of raw materials. Similarly, we have unique properties for every raw material. Let's watch this video to understand properties of few other raw materials.
In science, we have been learning about materials and their properties. We now know that everything around us is made from a material. Can you name some different materials? Well done if you got any of these. Objects might be made from wood, fabric, glass, plastic, or clay. You might have also come up with some others. Could you pause the video, have a look around you, find 3 objects and see if you know which material they are made from. Properties of materials. It helps us to know why certain objects are made from certain materials. Have a look at these objects. What do you think they are made from and why? One of the first objects we have is a pair of socks and a scarf. They are made from the material wool. Wool is soft and smooth. It is thick and keeps your body nice and warm on a cold day. Here the object is sunglasses. They are made from the material glass. Glass is transparent, which means you can see through it. it is also waterproof and strong. Although we can say glass is brittle. Brittle means when something is hard but it can be easily broken. Here we have some keys. They are made from the material metal. Metal is very strong and rigid, so it is hard to break or bend. And finally we had a water bottle. That is made from the material plastic. Plastic is waterproof and transparent. Plastic can be found in different forms. The water bottle is quite soft, whereas a TV remote is hard. Objects are made from different materials because of the different things they can do. Think about what the following items are made from. A window. Window is made from the material glass. Glass is transparent and waterproof. You can see through glass. This means it is transparent. Windows need to let the light in but also keep the rain out. That is also why it is important that they are waterproof. A pencil. A pencil is made from wood. Wood is strong and hard, which helps us for when we write. Most pencils also need to be sharpened. Sharpeners cut the wood away so that you can still use the pencil and keep it sharp. Tissues. Tissues are made from the material paper. Paper is soft and absorbent. It means it can absorb the water. However, it is not waterproof. It can break very easily once it becomes wet. Using what you know now, let's see if you can choose the most appropriate material for different objects. Now we'll see if you've been listening. Which material is best to use to make a window, and why? Well done! Glass is used to make a window because it is transparent and waterproof. Which material is best to use to make a table, and why? Well done! It's made of wood. This is used because it is hard and rigid, although you might also have said metal or plastic. Fabulous job, boys and girls, well done. Now it's challenge time. Can you point to an object at home and describe it? Why is that object made from that material? Can you find another object made from the same material? If you have a chance to do the challenge time, you might want to send some pictures on Dojo to your teacher. We are looking for some superstar scientists. Happy learning!
So I hope you understood about properties of raw materials after watching this video.